What's up and welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1972 Nova. Just did a walk around. This is a beautiful car. Definitely check the video out for the walk around. I'll link it to the last 30 seconds of this one, or just type in the year, the model, and Maple Motors in the YouTube search bar. This has got a 307 under the hood. It was date code correct by the numbers on the back of the motor, and the last four numbers on the front of the motor in the front here match the VIN. So this should be the original 307. Check out maplemotors.com for close to 100 detailed pictures of this car. You can also get shipping and financing information on there. Plus all of our inventory's on there, and we just uploaded 20 cars. All right, guys. About that time. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off here, gonna check out the interior. Looking pretty nice. Definitely watch that walk around video, guys. It goes over everything, let you see the interior real well. Gonna place your bets if you think the horn works. We always do that on the channel. This car starts up and runs great. I say that. It starts up and runs great for sure, but we're gonna take off down the road and point out any kind of flaws running and driving wise. We got the blower motor on, blowing some heat on us. The radio's missing a couple speakers in the package tray, but it's cutting on. Mileage says 91,000. It's hard to stand behind that because it's a 60 or 72 model. Wipers working. Horn does work. All right, let's buckle up and hit the road. All right, I was getting ready to take off, and I noticed where I put water on the car. It's got a leak in the front of the windshield that is coming down through the rear view mirror. The carpet is not wet at the moment, but a good downpour and it doing it a lot, it'd probably end up getting the carpet all wet. You might see some drips. You can see it on the mirror there. A little bit of water just from that rinse off. So it looks like I got a window. Hasn't officially started raining. I'm gonna go ahead and take off, and hopefully it doesn't pour down rain on us. Anything that I see that this car may need, I will let you know. Speedometer is coming up on the dash. Scraped the roads all the way through here, all the way through town. They officially got the other side done, but this side is just rough right now. It is the pavement, but the car, every time I let go of the steering wheel, it starts pulling that way. So that's not the road, that's the car pulling to the right. Kick down is hooked up on this one. Feels pretty good. Pulling pretty strong for a 307, which is just a higher revving motor than a 305. Checking our brakes before we get too far. The brakes feel good. It's not pulling to the left or right. I shouldn't have checked the brakes before the red light, man. I could have cruised on through. It's all right, I'm here now. Turn signal wise, they're popping up on both sides of the dash, nice and bright. Pretty decent driving car so far. Now we're back on the smooth pavement. This was basically the end of the rough texture stuff that they scraped off. Definitely dripping still. Have to take the front windshield back out and have somebody reseal it. The old seal that was in there is, I guess it's not working anymore. so far so good. Suspension feels nice, everything's nice and smooth. It's still slightly pulling to the right there, but all the gauges seem to be working. Everything's working properly. I'm gonna pull in this parking lot here, set up some cameras. We're gonna drive by, drive over the cameras, give you some external shots of the car driving and running, and we'll continue this test drive. We got a lot of cars to do this week, so thanks for joining us. Let's get these videos. Got y'all in the driver's seat now. We'll head on back to the lot. Hopefully y'all like some of those shots. Get y'all angled down a little bit. You can see more of the cab. Woo. Little tire slippage. Got lucky on the rain. It's definitely coming in. So far so good. This car runs and drives awesome. That slight pull to the right, and it seems like it's getting a little bit better. This road right here's got a speed bump halfway down the middle of it. You can listen for bumps. Kind of gives you an idea on the suspension, any kind of rattles and stuff. And that guy get way ahead of me. Bump's coming up right here. A little loud going over the bump there. All right, we've made it back to the lot. I do appreciate y'all riding along with me. Definitely check out the walk around video, point out any kind of flaws on the outside of this one. We do 2 videos for every car. And it's time to do another one. Let's go. Hey, if you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. I post videos almost every single day. I'm going to be posting a ton for y'all this week. So definitely check out maplemotors.com to see all of our inventory. We also have financing and shipping available on that website. It's 2 parts to every car, a walk and a test drive. All you got to do is type in the year, the model, and Maple Motors into the YouTube search bar. I really do appreciate y'all watching. Thank you for sharing the videos. Y'all are the only ones helping us get out there, so I appreciate it. All right, guys, let's get it.